BioUtah is proud to present the 2022 Entrepreneur of the Year Award. And the award goes to Dr. David Bierce, Halia Therapeutics.
The year I was born, my grandfather died of cancer. I have things from when I was a little kid that I wrote in elementary school that said, I want to grow up and cure cancer. And I always thought of myself as just, a scientist that spent time in the lab. But I started to realize that no one believed in my stuff as much as I did, and no one understood it as much as I did. And so if somebody was going to take it forward, it probably should be me.
Dave's been a highly successful serial entrepreneur here in Utah for a couple decades now.
It's incredible to see Dave and his team bring Halia from the lab into the clinic and begin the process of introducing these great new therapies.
Tolero was originally 2 compounds that we discovered at the University of Utah at the Huntsman, and we licensed those into Tolero, and we found a biomarker that allowed us to find the right kinds of patients to treat. We ran a prospective phase 2 study and showed that it worked.
Dave is he's an amazing entrepreneur, but he's even a better scientist. And he keeps that focus on the science, he keeps his focus on the patients, and that's what translates into these successful businesses.
That's really been kind of the key for my focus in my life and my career has really been get the science right. And the science is really the beating heart of any biotech company. It's the thing that keeps us alive.
He's passionate about finding new drugs for people, for patients around the world. It is not only his passion, but his hobby.
I don't really have any hobbies. I work with one of my sons, and 2 of my boys are actually studying to be scientists. In fact, we just started a podcast that it's called The Science Brothers. I'm just excited to take it to the next level and to try big things and to make big differences in people's lives. So at Halia, we've discovered a way to turn off chronic inflammation. And so chronic inflammation is really a driver of disease pathology in almost every disease you can think of. So from Alzheimer's in the brain all the way to heart disease and cancer. I mean, we'll help people live longer because most of the diseases that kill us have something to do with chronic inflammation. What other business can you see that kind of impact that you can have on millions and millions of people? The stuff that motivates me, the stuff that keeps me going every morning is thinking that today could be the day that I discover something that changes the world.
Congratulations, Dave, on this award of being Entrepreneur of the Year. Very well deserved, very proud of you.
Dave, congratulations, my friend. You deserve this award. I'm excited for you, and I can't wait to see what else you're going to be doing, earning entrepreneurial success and awards for years to come.
Congratulations to the 2022 Entrepreneur of the Year, Dr. David Bierce.